Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are exploring the critical process of Privacy Impact Assessment (PIA) as outlined in ISO 27701, the International Standard for Privacy Information Management Systems (PIMS). PIA plays a crucial role in identifying and mitigating privacy risks associated with data processing activities. Privacy Impact Assessment (PIA) is a systematic process for identifying, assessing, and mitigating privacy risks associated with the collection, use, and disclosure of personal data. PIA helps organizations evaluate the potential privacy impacts of new projects, initiatives, or systems and implement measures to address privacy concerns proactively. By conducting PIAs, organizations can enhance privacy protection, comply with legal and regulatory requirements, and build trust with individuals. PIA processes typically involve several key components, including scoping, defining the scope and objectives of the PIA, including the data processing activities, systems, or projects to be assessed. Data mapping, identifying and documenting the types of personal data collected, processed, and stored, as well as the purposes and legal basis for processing. Risk assessment, evaluating the privacy risk associated with the data processing activities, considering factors such as the sensitivity of the data, the volume of data collected, and the potential impact on individuals. Mitigation measures, implementing measures to address identified privacy risks, such as implementing privacy-enhancing technologies, enhancing data security measures, or revising data processing procedures. Documentation, documenting the outcomes of the PIA process, including the identified risks, mitigation measures, and decisions made to demonstrate accountability and compliance with privacy requirements. ISO 27701 provides guidance and controls to support the implementation of effective PIA processes within Privacy Information Management Systems (PIMS). The standard encourages organizations to incorporate PIA processes into their overall privacy management framework, ensuring that privacy risks are identified and addressed systematically. By integrating PIA processes into their PIMS, organizations can demonstrate compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, enhance privacy protection, and build trust with stakeholders. Conducting PIA processes offers numerous benefits to organizations, including enhanced privacy protection. By identifying and mitigating privacy risks proactively, organizations can enhance the protection of personal data and minimize the likelihood of privacy breaches. Legal and regulatory compliance. PIAs help organizations comply with legal and regulatory requirements related to privacy, data protection, and privacy impact assessments. Stakeholder trust. Demonstrating a commitment to privacy protection through PIA processes helps build trust with customers, employees, business partners, and other stakeholders. Risk management. PIAs assist organizations in identifying and managing privacy risks effectively, reducing the likelihood of costly data breaches or privacy incidents. Continuous improvement. PIA processes promote a culture of continuous improvement by encouraging organizations to review and enhance their privacy practices based on feedback and lessons learned. In conclusion, Privacy Impact Assessment (PIA) processes are essential components of privacy management, enabling organizations to identify, assess, and mitigate privacy risks associated with data processing activities. By implementing PIA processes within the framework of ISO 27701, organizations can enhance privacy protection, comply with legal and regulatory requirements, and build trust with stakeholders. Thank you for your attention, and I welcome any questions or discussions on this important topic. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.